Hi, third grade. It's Miss Barker from Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. We miss you still, and we hope to get back to school real soon. But for now, we're going to continue with our videos, and this time we are starting on day 5 of our spiral review. So I have my paper, and I have it on the screen so you guys can see it a little better. I also have my whiteboard. Get ready. Okay, so we are on day 5. Number 1 says a rectangle has a length of 8 feet and a width of 4 feet. What is the area of the rectangle? Show your work. Okay, my first thing I have to do is draw a rectangle. Now I need my width and my length. So I know my length is going to be 8 and I know my width is going to be 4. Now, in order to figure this out, I'm going to use a different color. So if you don't really know 8 times 4, that's okay. So let's create our array like we used to do. So 1, 2, 3 lines, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 4. So if you don't know 8 times 4, because we have to multiply because it's area. If you don't know 8 times 4, you know that you can at least go in and count the cubes. So let's see the square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we know that 8 times 4 equals 32. So we have that. So our answer, if you can see it a little, I'll write it over in black so you guys can see it. 8 times 4 equals 32. There, you can see it better. Okay, so 32. So that is our answer to number 1, and our work is shown on our board. Okay, erase that. Okay, next one is which division equations are shown by the array? So I'm going to kind of do this on my board. Draw it real quick so you guys can see it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each row, and there are 3 rows. My hearts are going to be kind of messy. I'm sorry. That's okay though. We all can't be artists. I'll try my best. Okay, I have my array. Looks just like the one that is on here, just not as neat. Okay, so it says which division equations are shown by the array. So now you know we have to find the division problem. Well, they're all divisions, so they all could be right. Now we need to look at them closely. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. I have 24 hearts altogether divided by 8. Do I have a number 8 in here? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do. It's 8, and then there's 3. I'll even show you the way I drew it on my paper so you can see better that it looks like an array. So I drew it just like that, just so you can see that's an array. Okay, so we did 24. There's 24 altogether divided by 8, and it gives us 3. Is that correct? Yes. So we're going to circle A as one of our answers. B, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Is there a 6 in any of this? Is there a 4? No. So that's not right. So we know B can be crossed right out. C, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Well, let's see. We have 24 divided by 3, and it gives us 8. So A and C are your correct answers. All right. We are going to move to number 3. The graph shows the number of cans collected each day for a food drive. How many more cans were collected on Monday and Tuesday than on Thursday? Well, let's take a look. I'm actually going to move this over a little bit. Okay, sorry. I just want to move it over a little bit so you guys could still see me as well. So the graph shows the number of cans collected each day for the food drive. We said how many more cans are collected on Monday and Tuesday than on Thursday. So Monday and Tuesday we know by looking at the graph. So let's look at Monday. I'm going to write an M for Monday. And it looks like if we go all the way up, the number of cans is 18. I'm going to put a T for Tuesday. If we go all the way up to look at, see how many there are 24. Now, it says how many more were collected on Monday and Tuesday than on Thursday. So we still need to know Thursdays. So let's look at Thursdays. Thursdays goes all the way up, all the way over. So Thursday, I'm going to put a TH for Thursday, and I'm going to put 30 cans. Okay. Now, we need to know how many more were collected on Monday and Tuesday. So if we need to know how many more were collected than on Thursday, we have to subtract, because you need to find the difference of the amount of cans that were collected on Monday and Tuesday than on Thursday. So, but before we subtract, we have to find how many Monday and Tuesday were combined. So we had 24 for Tuesday and we had 18 for Monday. So we need to add those together first. So 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So we know we have 42 cans for Monday and Tuesday. Now we need to figure out how many more are on Monday and Tuesday than on Thursday. Now here's where you're going to subtract. So you're going to write 42 because the bigger number goes on the top. Minus 30. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. And there are 12 more cans on Monday and Tuesday. I'm going to put M and a 2, or T for Tuesday. Just like that. Nice. All right. Now let's go on to number 4. Normally I have you guys do 3 questions in an assessment, but I'm only going to have you do 2 in the assessment this time. So I'm just going to do number 4 with you guys. Okay, so number 4 says, Tavi and his classmates are raising money for their school. Scroll down so you guys can see. Okay, part A. The class goal is to raise $348. They raised $8 each day for 9 days. How much more money do they need to raise to reach their goal? Okay, so let's take this step by step. This is a multiple step problem. So we know that we need to use cubes. So I'm going to write cubes at the top of my whiteboard. Just like that. So I need to circle 348. So I'm going to write 348 because I don't really have the problem on my board. So I'm going to write it under the C for circle. 348. They raised. So they have 348 total. That is their goal to raise. They've raised already $8 for 9 days. I'm going to write that on my board. So they've already raised $8 for 9 days. What can we do with that 8 and that 9? It's $8 per day. If you said 8 times 9, you are correct. So we need the $8 times 9. Giving you a minute to figure. Okay, if you said 72, you are correct. So we have $72 in 9 days. Now says the class goal though is $348. And our question is how much more money do they need to raise? So what are we going to do with that 348 and that $72? If you said subtract, you are correct. $348 because that's what they need. They've already raised 72, so they're not going to worry about the $72 that they need to raise. They just need to raise the amount. That's the difference between. So 8 minus 2 is what? If you said 6, you are correct. 4 minus 7. Can we do 4 minus 7? So we need to come over. We need to borrow. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So we need to raise, well, they need to raise $276 more. So it looks like our answer is going to be letter A. For that. Right here, letter A. All right, I am going to end my video here so you guys can take time to watch the video, and you guys can watch it again if you need to figure out your assessment. Your assessment is going to be on, looks like number lines, so your points on a number line, and identifying what fractions are bigger, smaller, or equal to. All right, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye.